back to my channel, E46. Today we're going to be cruising to Niagara. We're already on our way right now. We're on the highway. We're about like 7 cars, I think. 7-8 cars. So we're going to head to Niagara, just kind of go around, drive around. We can't really stop by too much because of Corona. So we're just going to take a little cruise and then head back after. Alright guys, so we did make it to Niagara, except there was an undercover following us when we got here. So everyone kind of just like dispersed and one of my buddies got pulled over. So I'm just kind of waiting for everyone to come here. You can see that the falls are like right there.
Fuck the cops. Fuck the cops. Fuck them.
Gang, gang.
Okay, you got your two seconds of fame. That's done. That's it. And here comes our criminal.
Put the chains away. Yo, those aren't even silver.
Ali, how do you feel, bro?
Like shit.
Habibi, Habibi, what did he pull you over for?
No front plate.
They pulled him over for
No front plate.
Hairline. They pulled you over for your hairline. They said this shit's illegal.
Alright guys, so I opened my trunk and then my taillight fell off. E46 problems.
Oh, that's light, that's so crazy blue. Damn. I'm like, I told yesterday when we will be cruise today. فكرت حجيب سيارتها. طلعت معي. حكيت اوكي. واي؟ ليش طلعت معي؟ So I was like, okay, خلاص.
Yo, Ali, you got a dent, bro. You got a dent.
Yo, she has to point out everything, man.
Why not reverse like this?
Alright guys, so we're heading back to Toronto. That is basically the end of our cruise. So, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.